my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and open and build some Hot Wheels because this video is called the Hot Wheels Build It to Price Activity. We have 3 of them because we have 3 different cars to collect. So let's see if we collect the whole set. So let's go ahead and take a closer look to the packaging, you guys. Look how awesome this looks. Which one will you get? I don't know. We have to open them to find out. And it says here, Hot Wheels Built It to Price Activity. 1 ready to assemble plastic car and 1 instruction sheet. So these ones are from Tara Toy Company. So let's go ahead and build them, you guys. Hopefully we get 1 of each. So let's go ahead and start, you guys. Let's start with this one. Which one you think you guys we're gonna complete the whole set? Let me know. Or which ones do you think we're gonna get? So comment down below to see if we're correct. I'm hoping to get the whole set. So let's see. Let's see here. Okay, for this one, you guys, let's move this down. This. So for this one, we got it's hard. They're hard to open. I opened it wrong. There you go. For this one, we got the green one, you guys. This one right here. So let's go ahead and get our instructions. It's really important to follow them, you guys. This looks like it's gonna take us a couple of minutes. So be patient with me, you guys. Ay. Yeah, that's gonna be less, but let's go ahead and do it. So let's take everything apart. Let's see which ones we get on the other ones, you guys, but let's go ahead and build this one. While I'm taking this apart, you guys, go ahead and subscribe to this video. Click the subscribe button. If you go down below where the subscribe button is at and you're not subscribed, every time I say subscribe, the subscribe button turns into colors. So just click it and I will really appreciate it, you guys. Subscribe. So we took everything apart. Oh, the instructions. It's a lot, you guys. Okay. Do we have to take these things out of here? Let's see. Oh no. It's gonna be hard to assemble. Just be patient. Just be patient with me. Let's go ahead and see here. Just take all these little things off. There's no way for me to make this video shorter, you guys. It's just what I have to do because that's just the process. So just bear with me. It's not coming out. There you go. And if the other ones are too much to do, you guys, I will do an add to be continued part. Yeah, don't do a second part. Let's see here. Let me know, you guys, if you would like for me to do like longer videos or shorter videos. I would really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions of what videos for me to do, let me know. And so here we have it, you guys. Is it this one? Oh, it shows us for all 3 of them, you guys. That's why I was a little bit confused. But we're going to go ahead and build this one right here. So we have our part of the card and take these things off. Okay. So, boom. got me. Let's go ahead and see here, you guys. Let me see here. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I would say, okay, so let's start. So now we can actually begin. So we have this right here. So now we're gonna have to get oh no, let's see, that's the back part. Oh no. Okay, we got it, you guys. Yay, we have started. Let's go ahead and build this, you guys. Okay, guys, I went ahead and removed the towel that was on the table so I can have a flatter surface so I can work on the car. And this is the one that we got, you guys. We got the green car. So we have the instructions right here. So I'm gonna try my best to build it. So let's see how it goes, you guys. So let's go ahead and put it like this. Let me see. Okay. Hopefully it goes well because I've been trying to do this. Let me see. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our first part right here. It's this one right here. Let me see. Is this one? Then I believe this is our second part right here. There you go. So then now we're gonna go ahead and get the windshield, the passenger seat. Right there. Let me see. Light. There you go. This part right here. And this one goes right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one right here. Oops, don't bend, my friend. Perfect. There we have it. It's not gonna come out perfect, you guys, because it's a little bit hard to do it. But let's go ahead and keep on trying to build this. So now let's go ahead and put the back part. This one goes up here. So this one's gonna come down slanted like this down here. There you go. The problem with this one is I was putting it the other way, so it wasn't attaching to it. So plus the little pieces are coming apart. It's really bent it. I don't think it's gonna be able to get on there. It keeps on coming off. not staying. There you go. Now let's put this one right here. Like, it's really hard to put them, you guys. There you go. We're done with one side. Now the tricky part was putting this one on here, because I know this one goes right here. There you go. So we did one. Well, it keeps on falling apart. Let me see. There you go. We did one side of it. As you can see, we still need to put the other side, you guys. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can put it together. And the other ones, you guys, I'll just do them off camera and then just show you the ending part, because it will be a super long video, you guys. I just need one part to stick in, you guys, so we can see how it looks. This part right here. There you go, you guys. We got it. We got it. Oh, please, please. Yes. It's not perfect, you guys, but look at it. I'm scared to snap the other parts in place because I've tried it off camera and it's been breaking. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I know it can be better, but trust me, I don't want to risk it anymore. This was the best I can do on this one. I know I try my best, you guys, to give you the best result on it, but it's not getting there. So now, you guys, let's go ahead and open this second one. And this one. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see which one it is. For this one, you guys, we got we got the same one, you guys, right here. So I already know how it looks. So let's put it here on the side. And then let's go ahead and open this one. I'll build it in a little bit, you guys. Let's go ahead and open this one. So let's see which one is this one, you guys. Okay. We got an orange one. This one right here. So we're only missing the black one, the black with fire. So this one, we got this one right here. Okay, guys. So here are all our parts for the second one that we got. This one right here. So let's go ahead and build it. I'm gonna try my best to build it right now here on the camera, and then if I cannot do it, I'll do it off camera, so it won't be a longer video. So let's start, you guys. So we have our parts right here. So then it says here to put our roof that says Hot Wheels. So it goes right here, but no, wait. Let's start with this, because if we put that, it's not gonna be easier for us to do that. So, a back panel. It's this one, the A back panel. It's this one right here. There you go. So then we have our hood right here. And on our hood, we're gonna put this part right here. Oops. We have our hood, and then we're gonna put our like muffler. I think it's a little muffler thing up here. So this is our hood. Those are the easiest parts to do, trust me. The trunk. Which one's our trunk? This is our trunk, and this is the roof. Okay, so let's start building this, you guys. Wish me luck, por favor. Okay. There you go. It's going smoother. I'm not going to jinx it. Then, I should have put this on first, I know. Then let's put our second part right here. I think it's coming out. It's coming out better than the other one. Let's see. Got it. It's going good. It's going. It's going. Okay, so now we have poor Car. He's all all over the place. Not a really good builder, you guys, as you can tell. There you go. Now, let's go ahead and put this one right here. This goes right here. There you go. Now, let's go ahead and put this. This one. The trunk. Am I missing a piece? I don't think I'm missing a piece, but this one's from there. That's the trunk. Yeah, that's the trunk. This is the trunk. So I guess, oh yeah, I got it right here. It's right here. Let's see. And this one goes. There you go. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, This one's not getting stuck in there. There you have it, you guys. This is our car from one side. Vroom, vroom. Poor cars, they are all over the place, you guys, but try my best to build them. It's like, you see, it's like they're like not wanting to cooperate. There you go. Okay, guys, so I was able to build it a little bit off camera. I tried my best to do it on camera so I can see, but it was gonna take me longer. But here you go, you guys. The thing is that this ones right here, they came a little bented, so they're not attaching to one side for some reason. Like for example, on this part right here, but I did try my best, you guys. So there you have it. So we have these two awesome cars. And we got a duplicate. If you want me to build this one, you guys, comment down below. I'll do a separate video because I don't want for this video to be longer than it has to. So let's put him right here. Let's put him to the side. That's fine. So then there you have it, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I do appreciate your patience. And make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share in this video, you guys. And I'll see you in the next one, you guys.